Speaking of weather, speaking of storms, severe storms headed our way right now as we speak, McKenna.
Turn around, don't drown.
Yeah.
Waymo, and everybody else. But yes, the severe thunderstorms that are moving into our western counties, we're going to keep an eye on those next couple of hours as they push closer to the Metroplex. You can see those just below me. They started in West Texas a couple of hours ago, and they are just trying to make their way a little bit closer to North Texas. But as they do move farther east, now that the sun has set, they are losing some of that steam. That is good news for us. Regardless, we do have several severe thunderstorm warnings in effect. This is for Young, Stevens, and Eastland counties currently. These severe warnings are in effect for a wind threat. Winds as high as 60 miles per hour. So that is just severe criteria. Hail is just under quarter size. That hail is about 3/4 of an inch. So that is just below severe criteria. But you can see right where that wind threat lies moving into Breckenridge right now. If you live in Breckenridge, you're probably feeling some of those gusts. Once again, up as high as 60 miles per hour in that area. But these are weakening, and that is what I expect as we do head through the next few hours. Regardless, could still hear some loud thunder as we get overnight. You may be awakened to this into the early morning hours. This pushes closer to the Metroplex between about 2 and 5 o'clock in the morning as that marches through, weakening as it pushes farther off to the east. By about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of that activity has moved to our northeast for spots closer to Paris as we head through tomorrow morning. The more rain we get during these early morning hours, the less of a rain chance we'll see during the afternoon. So we do want the rain early to avoid it during your afternoon plans. We will still be looking at isolated to spotty shower and thunderstorm chances as we do head into tomorrow and through the weekend. Tonight's severe weather threat, it's that marginal 1 out of 5 risk. That's isolated severe storm chances. Once again, Stevens County is just moving into the North Texas area. That is one we will keep an eye on as that storm cluster continues to march east. Then we get through the rest of the Memorial Day weekend, and you'll notice low-end shower and thunderstorm chances all weekend. It is far from a washout, but it is something we will keep a close eye on as we head through the next several days. We will be looking at temperatures holding steady in the mid to upper 80s through the weekend. Little bit of a muggy feel through that point. Your Memorial Day forecast, expect temps to start in the low 70s during the morning. We head to the low to middle 80s as we head into your Monday afternoon. It will be a warm one. Once again, a little bit of a stick to the air. So keep that in mind with any outdoor plans when you're making plans for the hairstyle for the day, ladies. Just keep in mind a little bit of a stick there. Now, this is good news for us. That flooding risk has pushed a little bit farther to the south, a little closer to Houston, where that level 2 flood risk is. For us in North Texas, it is that level 1 risk for our far southeastern counties, where those rain chances will be a little bit higher throughout the weekend. It's something we'll keep an eye on. Where those storms do set up, they will carry that risk for locally heavy rainfall. And on top of that, that frequent lightning, nothing you want to be outdoors in. So if you do have outdoor plans, if you hear the thunder, make sure you step inside for 30 minutes till after that last clap of thunder, Ken.